Ready to level up your crypto game and ditch those beginner-friendly fees? Today, we're diving into Coinbase Advanced Trading, your gateway to a pro-level crypto experience. First, make sure you have a regular Coinbase account set up and verified. Next, navigate to the Advanced Trading section. This is usually found under the Trade tab or sometimes labeled directly as Advanced Trading in your Coinbase dashboard. Okay, welcome to the Matrix. Don't be intimidated, this is where the magic happens. The interface shows the order book, where you see all the buy and sell orders, the price chart, which you can customize with tons of technical indicators. Click on the settings icon next to the chart and add moving averages, RSI, or anything that suits your trading style. Experiment. Now, let's place an order here. You can choose from market, limit, or stop orders. To place a limit order, for example, set the price at which you want to buy or sell, enter the amount, and hit buy or sell. Here is the best part: Advanced Trading offers significantly lower fees than the standard Coinbase interface. Now you're ready to navigate the crypto markets with confidence and precision. Start small, practice your strategies, and unleash your inner crypto pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.